Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So, as you can see, we are still in the list, and I told you I was going to share with you how to create African folktales, but as you know, it can be any type of folktale, American folktales too, whatever you want to make it, but we all know the African folktales are very popular on YouTube right now. Okay, so now on the list, we are up to number 5, okay? I did 1 through 4. Now we're up to 5. And 5 says you need audio, voiceovers. You can use your own voice or you can use an AI voice. So I'm going to take you to it right now. I don't want to waste any time. So let's just get to the audio that I use, right? I use Audacity. Okay. So what I'm going to do is take you to the Audacity website. So let's go shoot over there now. So let's just click on a new web browser and we're going to type in Audacity. This is for those who don't have any audio to use, right? You need some type of audio to create these African folktale stories. Okay, so let's just click on Audacity download. And as you can see at the very top, here's the first one. Click it. And depending on the type of computer that you're using, whether you're using a Windows, a Mac, or a Linux, let me see, scroll down. That's it. So, just make sure that you download the proper Audacity audio that is equivalent to your computer. I have a Windows 11 and mine is a 64-bit, okay? So I would download this. I'm not going to download it because I already have it. I'm just taking you to the website in case you don't know, and maybe most of you do already know about this. Okay, so let's come out of that. Right, so we was checking out the audio. So now when you want to do a voiceover, you have options. You can use your own voice or you can use an AI voice. Okay, so I'll show you how I use my AI voice. And the AI voice is used, I use it by using DID software, okay, or the app. So let's go to DID. Okay, bear with me because I have so much stuff open. And I got to see which one I can use. I have 2, so it might not be this one. Let me see this one. I have 2 I have Google Chrome open. I have Firefox open. Let me see if I have it here. Okay, this might be the one that I could use to create a voice. Yes, because here I have 25 credits for Rainbows of Disney, right? So I'm just going to show you how I create my avatars to talk. Okay, so I'm going to click on Create Video. And what I'll do is I'll find one of these that I saved, right? Because you can click add or you can use their avatars, which I don't really care to use. I like my own. Trying to scroll down to show you the rest of them. Here they go. Okay. This is their AI presenters you can use. Okay. But I don't use them. I like to use my own. So for an example, let's see. Let me just snatch a photo and put it in here. So you're going to click on add. And I need to find a photo. Let's just say, scroll down. I want a Y image. So let me see. Hold on. Let me make sure I check all files. Because let's just say I choose her. Right? And I click open. So hopefully it goes through. Okay, so say this is the AI that I want to use, right? I want to use her and I want to make her talk. Okay, so I have her. So the first thing you want to do, you want to get a script. So you have to type something in, whatever you want it to be. Let's see, what can we say? I'm already working on a project that involves this particular AI presenter right here. But let's just say, okay, we'll just type in welcome to my channel, right? Subscribe to Iconic Dog Tales, right? Let's leave it at that. Put a period at the end. Now, so it says, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to Iconic Dog Tales. Yes, I changed my channel names. I changed both of them. This is my new channel called Iconic Dog Tales, and my main channel is called Iconic Dog Studios, okay? So let's just change her voice because we don't, right now it's in Tony. We don't want her to sound like a man. So let's just click on that drop down arrow, scroll through, and you want to use the free voice, right? So I'm going to scroll through and I'm going to find one of these voices that I like. Where is it? Uh-oh, it's not showing the one that I like. Can you type the name in? It's usually under A. It looks like it stopped. It stopped here. Okay, well, let's just use any one of these voices, right? Let's just take Amber. And I'm going to listen to her voice and see what she sounds like. Okay, listen.
Welcome to my channel. Subscribe
Welcome
to
to my
Iconic
channel.
Doll Tales.
Subscribe to Iconic Doll Tales.
Okay, I'm not a fan of that voice, but this is just for me to show you an example. That's all this is. So let's just go through with it. So we'll keep that and we'll just generate the video. And like I told you, most of the time, these videos take a long time. So click on generate. Oh, it's telling me it's not enough credits to generate. Okay, so sometimes we run across this problem, but it's telling me I have 25 credits here. So I don't know why it wouldn't be enough. I don't understand that. And see, this is the thing. Sometimes you will run across problems. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to try something else. How about I go to Canva, right? Canva is another one that I use to try to generate voices. No, but I won't be able to do this one. Okay, let's come out of this. I'm so sorry. See, this is where technology get a little crazy on you. And when you're using all these different apps and softwares, sometimes you know, I didn't pay the money to have the credits to do the talking avatar. So let's just see. I thought I had the free trial. So let me see if I can find the free trial here. And I thought it was under this one. That's what it says, 25 credits. So, and to use this was only going to be 6 credits. So why would it say that I don't have enough credits? Something is not right. Let me see if I refresh it. What will happen? Okay. Maybe this is the one we needed to use. Okay, I'll do it over. Okay, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use her to generate, right? Because we do an African Tales. Let's do it over. Okay. She's going to say, first of all, let's see if I can find that voice. Click on this arrow. You want to get the free voices. And let's scroll through and let's see. I think she is like an African Kenya voice, and I like it. It goes perfect for this character right here. Okay, let's scroll through. Where is it? Where is it? There she go. This is the voice I like. I don't know how you pronounce it. Is it Asilia? Well, I like that voice. So, okay. So now let's type it in again. It's going to say, welcome to my channel. And she's going to say, subscribe to Iconic Doll Tales. Okay, did I spell that right? Okay, so let's just hear it.
Welcome to my channel. Subscribe
Welcome
to
to my
Iconic
channel.
Doll Tales.
Subscribe to
Okay, and now let's just generate the video because I want you to see her talk. Name the video name. So I'll just say African girl, right? Or African lady, right? I'll name it African lady. And then I'll just hit generate. And it only costs me 1 credit, right? So let's just generate. But because this is the free trial, it's going to have a watermark, but I'm just using this as an example. Okay, so this one works. So let's go ahead on. Go to the 3. Once it's finished, look for the 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots. You're going to click download. So now it downloaded. And then what I will do next is I'll come to my Power Director program. It's already open, so I'll click it. And I'll go get the video.
right, and then work ID can hit like
There she goes. It says African lady. Highlight it. Open. Put it in the timeline. This is just an example, so it's going to have the watermark, so we'll open it up.
Welcome to my
And
channel.
I'll play it for you.
Subscribe to Iconic Doll Tales.
subscribe to Iconic Doll Tales.
Okay, so that's one way you can do the voice. Another way you can do the voice is you can use your own voice. So I'm going to go to Audacity that I told you where you can download it. Okay. So I'm going to stop this right here and I will be back. Okay, guys, so welcome back. So we're just going to check out how to do the second voiceover, which I'm going to use my microphone and I'm going to talk and you're going to see me talking into the Audacity program. Okay, so I'm going to go to Audacity now. As you can see it here on the bottom. Let's just say I use this voiceover. Welcome to Dolls Will Be Dolls. Nope, we're no longer Dolls Will Be Dolls. So we'll say welcome to Iconic Doll Studios. Make sure you subscribe and please subscribe to Iconic Doll Tales. That's my second channel. Thank you. Okay, guys, so welcome back. So we're just going to check out how to do the second voiceover, which I'm going to use my microphone and I'm going to talk and you're going to see me talking into the Audacity program. Okay, so I'm going to go to Audacity now. As you can see it here on the bottom. Let's just say I use this voiceover. Welcome to Dolls Will Be Dolls. Nope, we're no longer Dolls Will Be Dolls. So we'll say welcome to Iconic Doll Studios. Make sure you subscribe and please subscribe to Iconic Doll Tales. That's my second channel. Thank you. Number 1, record your voice in Audacity.
He is not your man. He is mine. Back off.
So guys, you see me looking up Canva. This is the program I use. I clicked on it. Okay, I'm going to close this out right quick. And as you can see, I am going to click on Create Blank. And I'm going to go find whatever picture or image I want to use as the avatar that will be talking. So first, you're going to you're going to look at your apps, click it. You're going to click on DID. So you're going to wait for that to load. And now, I'm just checking it out to see how many credits I have. And now I'm going to find an image. I'm deciding which one I want to use. It doesn't matter. Okay, and I know I gotta upload the audio. Okay, so I'm gonna find the audio. I found something. Let's see which one I'm gonna pick. I highlight it, I open it. And now I click on generate. And now it's going to generate, so we're just waiting. Sorry about the little gap, because I think at one point my computer it stopped recording. So it's going to rotate. There you go.
Number one, record your voice in Audacity.
Okay, so there you have it. Just a little little example of your avatar talking. So now I'm just going to go ahead on. I'm going to title it. You want to title your video. I'm just going to type something in called AI woman. Share. Download. Make sure it's on video. MP4, download again. And now you see it downloading. You see it going across the screen. Okay, so we're going to wait a little bit for that to download. As you guys can see, it's step by step. So I can see that it downloaded. So now go back to my program. I'm going to hit image. Okay, I import it, I download. Wait for the video. Highlight it, open. Put it in a timeline.
Number one, record your voice in Audacity.